Alright, kiddos, come here. It's time for your grandpa to tell you his favorite campfire story, just as my grandpa used to tell me, of the great card harvest. When my grandpa was younger, he lived in a town called Chucksville. And every year after all the crops were brought in, they would celebrate the great harvest with a festival. There would be food and games and rides, and it was a magical time of year. My grandpa's favorite time of year. But as he grew older, the town grew smaller and smaller and smaller, and the magic of the great harvest started to fade. When my grandpa was about 16, he walked out into his field upset that people were forgetting the great harvest. And on that day, my grandpa, your great-great-grandpa, he changed everything.
Yeah. I'm sweating. Yeah. In 2010, thought I was doing something. And now I'm rapping with a crew or something. I guess the track don't really stick unless he's gluing something. And I never fit the shoe until I do it something. Yo, bracing myself like teeth, boy, it's the same old route on some new concrete. But homie, these tunes make you get a new ID. I'm trying to do my thing, but the commute ain't cheap. I'm on a 2-day week for all this rap these days, and we can still pitch the track to all the whack DJs. We're singing happy days, wearing tacky J's, and I'm just pumped that I made it out my nappy phase. Let's go. We can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really trying to hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and get your hands up high and your shoulders down, and say we can turn the whole world around. I'm in the backseat, really trying to hold it down. And if you up now from the lost and found, and put your hands up high and your shoulders down, and say about time that I get back. Yo, I'ma get back. We can hold it down. Oh God, I'ma get back. Yo, I'ma get back. We can hold it down.
This be the 4th year in the promised land. Watch it, I promise, man. If you ain't looking close, we gon' look like an industry plan.
What did he do with all those cards, Grandpa?
My grandpa brought them back to Chucksville, and he had just enough cards to give every single citizen of Chucksville a deck. And from that day forward, the Great Harvest was renamed to the Great Card Harvest. And kernel by kernel, the town grew bigger and bigger as the news spread of the magical fields of Chucksville. To this day, they say, after all the crops have been harvested, if you go look, you still might find the same deck of cards. Told me of the great card harvest. Card harvest.
Okay, that's grandpa. Send you the final look picture so you can post it on the story.
No, I need a picture of like the screen too. Your grandpa does like me some pumpkin pie.
You are losing your mustache. I can see it.
I'm trying to push it back down on there. Okay. Hey, what are you whippersnappers looking at? Get out of my lawn.
Well.
All right, looks like we gotta get it.
Oh my god. Oh baby, no. Don't
rip it off. Oh wow.
Is it staying on?
I don't know.
It's not.